Back in the day, every country in Europe had its own specific way of organizing payment information when it came to international bank transactions. As you can imagine, with so many different systems in place for the same Eurozone economy, there was also plenty of errors and mistakes happening. That was until 2014 when the European Union got together and harmonized their methods of identifying bank information into what is now known as the International Bank Account Transfer Number, or IBAN. Since then, errors have dropped to nearly 0.01%. Today, the IBAN system has grown out of the Eurozone economies and into the hands of other countries, mainly in Europe and the Middle East. Although it is not the international supreme banking transaction method like SWIFT, its supremacy in Europe has established its importance in the world of international banking. It's important to note that while most non-IBAN members cannot transact IBAN payments domestically, most will send payments to IBAN countries using the IBAN method, and so there are over 84 participants in the IBAN system, with 59 members making IBAN mandatory for all foreign and domestic payments. Currently, the IBAN system is going through some changes that are beginning to make IBAN accounts more accessible to clients outside member countries. Virtual IBAN accounts are now becoming more commonplace, meaning that companies and individuals who have proper documentation can now open IBAN accounts entirely online without ever stepping foot into an IBAN member country. In fact, the rise in virtual bank accounts in general has led to a sudden muddling of borders in the global financial system, as now clients can now reside and do business in other countries while their bank account is located elsewhere. Contrary to opening an offshore account in a tax haven like Panama or the British Virgin Islands, the opening of a foreign bank account will now become more commonplace and accessible to businesses and people around the world. Soon, the prospect of opening an account offshore will be less associated with tax evasion and money laundering, and more associated with helping businesses legally access accounts that have access to more security, access to major currencies like the US dollar or the euro, or even just to get access to important payment systems like IBAN. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one.